Hello and welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a fluid pour with epoxy resin. But as you can see, I've set up slightly different. So I have a cup here suspended above my board that I'm going to pour on. And there is a hole in the bottom of that cup. I'm not sure if you can see that. And that hole I'm going to allow the resin to flow out of, because I'm going to set it off swinging. So I'm going to block that hole up with a piece of masking tape, and when I feel that the picture is done enough, then I'm just going to stop it like that. And the colours that I'm going to use today are, I'm going to use black, red, some opaque pigment and some white pigment. And I suppose what it is going to be, if imagine that's the cup there, what it's going to be is I'm going to be doing a dirty pour in there of different layers of colours, and then I'm going to take off the piece of tape, let this swing and see what it happens. I am going to put a base colour down, and I'm going to be putting my favourite base colour down, and that is going to be black with some black mica in. So that's that down. So now we need to move that out of the way, and that out of the way, move me out of the way. We now need to fill that pot up, and I am going to be putting a little bit of black in there as well. So here we go. And there we go. It's just doing its thing now. And because the weight is reducing as it makes its pattern, then it should do other things as well. So physics would tell me that that would do other things as well. So far it's making a really pretty pattern. I'm quite liking that. It looks like, at the moment, one of those string art things, but the colours seem to have blended into each other inside the actual pot itself. I'm not so worried about that. Perhaps it was the colours I chose. I'm just going to let it do its thing. It reminds me of a spirograph. I don't know if anyone had one of those as a kid. Maybe I should have just used gold or red. I'm not sure. Because it seems to have come out quite pinky. I believe that is pink. Is it because it's coming from, I don't know what it's doing. Maybe I shouldn't have added the white in there. I'm really loving that pattern. It's giving a beautiful pattern, even if it's not the desired colours I wanted. But you live and learn. So what I'm going to do next time is, I will do another one of these, but I'll just use gold in it. But we don't know what's going to happen. It could do something completely different soon. And release a different colour. Although I'm not sure it's going to. Maybe it was the red and the white. Too much red, too much white. Which does obviously make pink. Even I know that as a colourblind person. But he loves the pattern. I really do love the pattern, and actually the pattern around the whole thing is lovely. So maybe I should have done this on a bigger board. Maybe that's what I'll do next time. Do it on a bigger board. There we go. It's just filling up that centre bit now. I'm not going to stop it. I thought I would stop it, but I'm actually not going to stop it because I really do quite like how that's come out. And what I will do is, as soon as I can, I will do a close-up of it as well, so that you can see what it looks like when it's got a close-up picture of it. The pattern around here is immense. I think definitely a bigger board. If only I had one at this moment in time, but I will definitely be getting one. To be able to do that with. Can you hear my clock ticking? That's not my heart. That is my clock. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think there was too much white and too much red, and it's come out pink. But actually, I don't mind that at all. I think that's given a lovely pattern. I don't know how else you would make that pattern. That's still spreading out. That's really coming out quite well. I'm not going to go over it too much with a torch. It's come out in a very thin line, and as a result it shouldn't have too many bubbles in it. In fact, I can hardly see any bubbles in it, which is great. I'm going to let that last little drop of colour come out, so hopefully it will spread out as well. So this is how it's dried. I'm not sure if the camera's picking up on this, but actually it's dried really nicely. And I think it'll look great on the wall. I really like these like wispy bits around the edge, and the gold that's come in the middle going more out to these pinky flavours, and it has made what I would consider to be some nice cellular movement. So overall, as a dirty pour, it came out well. You know, it's different. It's just a different technique, and it's a different approach. I really like it. I hope you like it too. If you like it, please like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Thanks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video as much as you can to help my channel grow. Bye.